Hey, before we begin, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of future videos. Hey, good morning. So today we are at Tracy Arm Fjord in Alaska. So let's just watch some of the sights as our ship cruises up the fjord. Over the years, we've been up here to these glaciers several times, and several different of the glaciers, and each time they're just as impressive as the first time that we saw them. So let's continue looking at the water and the glaciers and the ice. So here we go. You're not going to believe it. We were up on deck filming Tracy Arm Fjord and the battery died. And then I thought, well, that's okay because I can use the battery on my phone. And guess what? That died too. So I think I got enough film to make a little video, but we'll see. So the lesson of that is always make sure your batteries are fully charged before filming for YouTube. Anyway, I think I'm going to film a little bit more, and because we've still got some view of the fjord. So check this out, and we'll see you later in Juneau this afternoon. Well, that's the end of our video. Go ahead and click right here to subscribe. This video here shows you the best video of mine for you. And here I'll show you the playlist for Alaska. Thank you for watching and keep cruising.